Hello everyone, I'm Roman, co-founder of the LLAMATOR framework, and today I will show you an example of how to use the LLAMATOR framework to test your Telegram chatbot for vulnerabilities. If you want to learn more about how to work with the framework, you can check out our documentation on GitHub page of LLAMATOR project. We also have many examples for different cases, so you can look at them if you run into any difficulties. Next, let's move on to our example. First, install all the required dependencies. Then, initialize the Telegram client object using telephone. After that, we start working with the LLAMATOR framework. To test any system, you first need to define how to interact with it. You can do this by creating a class that inherits from LLAMATOR client base. To see which functions the class should have, refer to the documentation where everything is explained. For this example, we made an implementation of Telegram client. Next, we need to declare two models. The attack model is the one that generates attack text to send to the model we are testing. The second model is the tested client. This is an object of the class they defined earlier to interact with the defending system. The next step is to run the testing. You can view all the testing parameters at this link. You can also check out all available attacks and choose the most relevant ones for you. In our example, we will list several attacks and repeat them a set number of times. Then we set up the configuration dictionary and run the testing. We will receive a short testing report in the console, and after testing, a directory with all artifacts will be created. We have overall results in Excel and Word formats, as well as CSV files with results of each individual attack. Let's look at the Excel report. For each attack, we have a separate table that reflects the dialogue between the models. Let's look at the Word report. In this report, we have the overall testing summary with a description of each attack and its results. Thanks for watching. If anything wasn't clear or you have questions about LLAMATOR, please leave a comment. Also, be sure to check out our GitHub repository and stay tuned for new updates.